welcome to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Reid. So right now I am in cool Manchester. So I'm gonna tour the Mile Gully area, so enjoy the ride. So our destination will be to Duppy Church in Mile Gully. So enjoy the ride. So when you're in Mile Gully, it's about 10 minutes drive to Mandeville town, and it can be also 13, and also about 25 minutes drive to Christiana. So Duppy Church is about 5 minutes drive from Mile Gully town. As you can see, persons are walking, enjoying the sun. Cool weather today in Mile Gully. So when you're driving through Mile Gully, you have to be careful for all those taxi drivers. Be very careful. And all those bikers. So coming up on your right, we have the Mile Gully Sports Complex, where you can find a lot of football and cricket play there when school in session. I know a lot of persons overseas would like to come home and visit their cool Manchester in Mile Gully because of the pandemic. A lot of persons cannot get to travel. So Reid is taking the time out to show you all what it looked like in Mile Gully in 2021. So remember, our destination will be at Duppy Church. A lot of persons go to Duppy Church and do music videos. A lot of entertainers from Jamaica. So welcome guys, welcome to Mile Gully town. Very small town, not too busy. And also Mile Gully town is very close to Medstead. So enjoy the ride in Mile Gully town. So if you make a left turn, we'll take you all to Medstown. So as you can see, they have their gas station. So if you need your gas, you all can stop in Mile Gully town. And also they have a hardware. So if you need your plumbing supplies and so forth, you can come to Mile Gully. As you can see ahead of us, you can see the decoration with stone. Mile Gully. Welcome to Mile Gully in Manchester. So when you're driving, you have to drive for others. Be careful on the road. So we are now gonna cross a chain line where you can find a vendor there who sell coconut and other beverages. You can stop right there and have a cold red stripe beer. In few more minutes, we will be passing the Mile Gully police station. So enjoy the ride. We're having a little bit of bumpy right now, but just enjoy it. So straight ahead of us, you have the Mile Gully police station. So when you're driving in Mile Gully at night, it's a very lonely road, so have to be very careful. Very lonely road at night. And we're getting a lot of rain from the other day. As you can see, the trees are very green and pretty. A lot of rain in Manchester. Yes, my people, Jamaica sweet, nice can done. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, to Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, and always remember to give the video a big like and also press the bell icon for more videos and press all. Yeah man, yes my people. How can we forget our sweet Jamaica? There are so many places we will go in 2021. We're just gonna ask God for some guide and protection in our going out and coming in. He will guide us through. So always remember to put the Lord first, Yeah man, just the vibes. And a lot of people do a lot of farming also in Mile Gully. They farm a lot of stuff. Yams, tomatoes, sweet peppers, corn. So many persons would go to Mandeville town for shopping when they're in Mile Gully, and Mile Gully is about 10 minutes away from New Green and also Comfort Hall, and about 15 minutes to Oxford. And Oxford you can find Nice River. You can go there and enjoy yourself. Very nice river in Manchester. So that river they call it Nice River. I don't know the reason why. Maybe give some loud sound, but it's a very nice river. So when you come to Manchester, you almost go to Oxford and go to Nice River and have some enjoyment of our natural beauty. Sweet place, nice scan done. So in few more minutes, our destination will be at Duppy Church in Manchester. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Duppy Church, so you all can keep watching and enjoy the tour of Duppy Church. Because as I said, a lot of persons afraid of this church. Don't know why, don't know what the history behind it, but a lot of persons afraid of Duppy Church. So welcome to Duppy Church in Manchester. Cool Manchester. Very nice weather. So keep on watching. True Jamaican vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome to Duppy Church in Manchester, Mile Gully.